Hi crafters, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share some very cheap DIYs with you today with almost 99% of the supplies from the Dollar Tree. I love crafting, and if you do too, then you know that you can always make great, amazing quality pieces without having to spend the outrageous prices that places like Hobby Lobby and sometimes even Walmart charge for things you can do yourself. So come along with me if you want to have some great high quality pieces for your home. Keep watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you like what you're seeing and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let's jump right into the video. So I take these Better Homes and Gardens magazines that I bought for 25 cents a piece, any frame that you have laying around, Mod Podge, and one of those squishy brushes. And I look around at the pictures and they're so beautiful and everything looks so appetizing. I know they'll be perfect in my kitchen. I take and let the professionals do the hard work for me. Oh, look at that. Isn't it delicious? I'll select my photos, cut them to size. This is really simple. Whatever frame, that you're going to use, cut it out, stick it in, let it go. These are kind of open air frames. They're kind of mounted on this piece of cardboard. I bought them for $7 a piece at Burlington. I'm going to have to Mod Podge them to the frame so that they don't fall off. So if you're doing something similar or using a similar type of canvas, which you could easily do, take a piece of cardboard, wrap it in burlap, stick it on there with some mounting tape. It would do the same thing. The magazine paper is very thin and it is easily crinkled. I didn't mind the crinkling on it, but I needed to have the Mod Podge underneath it and on top of it. So you can see I carefully laid on top of the Mod Podge, I laid underneath, and then I'm going to Mod Podge all of the corners and edges to make sure that when I hang my picture, they don't fall off. I think it looks really, really cute, and I feel like these pictures would have cost me at the very least $10 at a retail store. So you can see I'm focusing on the corners and the edges. They're all rough. I wasn't worried about perfection here. From a distance, you can't even tell, but as you'll notice in my DIYs, I'm less concerned with perfection and more concerned with making sure that my home, everything looks really high-end without me having to spend those prices. Like I said, I got 10 or so Better Homes and Garden magazines at my local thrift store for 25 cents a piece. And I got the free subscription because when I go to Walmart and I buy Better Homes and Gardens products, they come with that card for a free subscription. I recommend doing that. So here's the final look. Right next to my window, my cute little Better Homes and Garden Valance. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really simple, very affordable. You could even use just a regular frame, cut it out, stick it in there, and it looks like you spent Next up is going to be a really simple DIY lantern, like the kind that you see at Hobby Lobby all the time that cost $30, $50. IKEA has some as well. They're a little bit cheaper, but this is more like the IKEA version where it's not as ornate and very streamlined. So what I did is I took 4 Dollar Tree picture frames and I just picked the silver ones because I like the reflectiveness of them. And as you can see, I'm just gluing them together in a box cube shape. So I take my E6000 glue, which is a really strong industrial glue. You crafters know and love it, I'm sure. I picked that instead of hot glue because I want this to last forever. It takes a longer time to cure, around 24 hours, but it will make sure that your pieces do not come apart. So I'm gluing the edges, I'm wiping off the excess glue. I'm doing this in my bathroom for a couple of reasons. One, so I can be next to a sink. And then my kids can't be in my bathroom while I do this. My daughter is filming and she's a little crazy with the camera, but you can see I'm getting all my edges straight and I'm just propping it up with a couple of cans of hairspray to keep everything nice and straight. And then I just place something with a little bit of weight on top to help it set. And then when it's all finished, it looks gorgeous sitting on my coffee table. And I just got some boxwood from my local Dollar Tree, and I used it in there and it looks amazing. Again, a very high quality looking display without spending the price. So boxwood, candle holder, fake tea light. All in all, I spent less than $10 on the display for my coffee table.